This is DJI Flip Fly More, and today I will show how you can screen record on this device. So to start, you will need to take your remote controller and power it on. I'd assume that you would like to screen record while flying, but I guess doesn't matter. You can screen record from anywhere inside this little mini computer interface, since this remote controller is indeed a very, single-oriented, but still a computer. Now open the control panel by swiping downwards from the right half of your, status bar, or from the right half of the screen, top right half to be exact. Here, look for the screen recorder, tap on this button to start screen recording. As you can see, it is being underway now, and in order to finish it, simply tap at the stop option here. And the screen recording should be saved to your gallery, which you can launch from here. And should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.